All right, I'm in my elements here, and I'm just going to look for smiley face in the search bar. I'm just going to select this first graphic that comes up here. Okay, so you can see this is a graphic. It has my color boxes at the top here. I'm going to go ahead and hit R, and I'm going to bring in a color box. So what we want to do is just download this element, and I'm going to make that color box transparent. So now you can see I have two elements. I have the smiley face element, and then I have this transparent color box. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll over both of those elements there, hit more of the three little dots, and slide down to download selection. So again, this is an element that has color boxes. We want those color boxes to stay, so we're going to download this as an SVG file. We want it to have a transparent background, and then we're going to hit download to save this to our computer. Let's say that you wanted to have a image here, a photo. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to type in clouds and see what comes up. And this time I want to go over to photos, and I'm just going to select this one right here. So again, I want to hit R, and I want to bring in a box here. I'm just going to make sure it's completely lined up on top of my image. I'm going to go up to the color box, make this transparent. We're kind of tricking Canva here. And then I'm going to go scroll over these again, hit the three dots, download selection. This time we're going to download as a PNG file since this is an image. I'm going to increase the size here, transparent background, and download this to my computer. So we have those saved to my computer. So next up, what I want to do is I want to add these to my brand kit. So over on the left side toolbar, I'm just going to go into brand kit while I'm still in my design, which is pretty cool. And I'm going to slide down until I see graphics here. So I don't have any graphics yet. I'm going to go ahead to my files, and I'm going to find the two that I just saved to my computer, and I'm going to drag them over into this upload section. And then once they're uploaded, I'm going to hit save. So they're saved directly now into my brand kit. So if we go back in here into our brand kit, you see your logos, your colors, your fonts, your photos, and now I have graphics. So if I click on this smiley face, it adds it to my design, and since it was an SVG file, you can see it has these color boxes. We can change these colors however we want, and we go back in, and now you can see I can use this cloud element as well as an image.